Warning, all mods and repairs done in this video are done by backyard amateurs and should be taken very seriously. If you mess up your car, that's on you because we can't afford the liability. Enjoy.
Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to change your tires professionally, like a real professional would. Now let's get a close-up of what I'm taking off first. Well, as you can see here, there's a bit of a size difference here, about like that, about that much, so a lot. That is above average amount. And you want to see why she doesn't like 16 inches. Well, here, I'll show you right here. That right there, there's literally an inch gap between my tire and my mud flap. So yeah, she doesn't really like that much. So now we gotta take off my mini center caps, and I'm too poor for a screwdriver, so I'm just gonna use my key for my car. Let's see how this works. Now we gotta do the back, but it's the same thing. And you can cut it. All right, now I know how you're thinking, well, how are you just gonna take off those gosh darn things? Well, you see, you gotta get one of these. It's only $400, so everyone can afford that. All right, so now you gotta make sure it's on the max mode 3 and it's on the reverse. So we're gonna take them off, and hopefully everything goes good, and I love you. It's the same thing for all four. All right, now when you're putting them on, you gotta put this side facing inwards, because you'll see why. Oh man, it doesn't fit. Cut the camera, cut the camera. Keep the cut the camera part. So now, as I can see, it's exactly how I told you put it on, and now you get the nuts. See, I have 4 here, because there's 4. You put them on nice and easy, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Sorry, I'm struggling a bit. All right, now you get the gun. You gotta turn down the torque on the old puppy because she likes to bust nuts. That's it. Check your air. That's it.